Good morning, folks. I promise I will keep this one brief. It's Wednesday, the 22nd of March, 2023, just after 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'm here at Jacinto Peak. The summit hut is there, or in fact, more accurately, down there. Added about almost exactly 2 feet, currently about 23 inches of snow here at Jacinto Peak in this current storm, which is the 23rd storm of this winter. Take a quick scan around. As you can see, real winter wonderland, and that has got our snow total currently on the ground pretty close to 100 inches. Huts surrounded by about 7 or 8 feet of snow. Still snowing, as you can probably tell, lightly, but by the same token the sun is about to come out. And Idlewild added about a foot, 12 to 13 inches of snow in this storm. Nearly half of that was yesterday, which has apparently largely melted off. And Florian Boyd kindly let me know that at least on his side, on the desert side, for example, Skyline Trail, the snow level was down to about 4,500. I suspect in Ghana Valley on the PCT Desert Divide, it's probably a bit lower. It's probably down to 4,000. So looking at a few inches of snow, maybe down to 4,000. Currently 6 to 8 at the elevation of Idlewild, and then considerably more up here, obviously. In terms of equipment, obviously any kind of high country travel at all, snowshoes required right now. Powder's pretty firm, really nice for snowshoeing. I would also probably recommend carrying crampons if you're heading anywhere above 8,500 feet. Conditions will firm up pretty quickly. Still a bit cloudy for the next day or two, but then it's going to get sunny and warm. Things will harden up, particularly high up. And obviously spikes, invaluable everywhere, currently probably above 4,000 feet, particularly for PCT hikers. For PCT through hikers, obviously conditions haven't got any easier. Same advice applies. Should still be relatively passable from about miles 151 to 166, the phobes turning. This will probably make the Black Mountain alternate tricky, but again that will change over the course of the next week or so. And in the meantime, I need to get moving, so safe hiking, everyone.